Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create Stripe payment plans and add them to your application. So far you created all the infrastructure for creating a payment in your application, but now you need to build the payment.html file. So since this is only HTML, we're not going to add any CSS or JavaScript here. We can directly edit it in PyCharm. So firstly, in the header, let's add another metadata. So let's do meta viewpoint, then the content will be with device width, and the initial scale will be 1. Then I will use some basic CSS template. So you can use this style sheet from CDN GSDE liver, okay. Then I'll add some jQuery, so let's do script Ajax Google APIs, and we'll go to this particular version of jQuery. Then let's also add the Stripe. So here I add the Stripe package for HTML, and then finally the title will be payment. Okay, so this will be all the libraries that you will be using in your HTML, and we'll import them here in the head in the same way that you import libraries into your Python file. Now let's add the body of our file. So I will show you, and it might take a little longer. I will show you how to create our first payment type, because I want to create 3 payment types. You have the option to create monthly, quarterly, or yearly plan. Okay, we'll create a monthly plan, and then we can simply copy and paste in order to create the rest of the 2 plans. So let's do that. So let's do section, and this will be of a class section. Then let's create a div, and this will be our main container. Okay, then inside the div, let's do h1 for header, and here I will add class equals to title, and I will add here payment options. Okay, and now here we add the payment options, so I will do another div, and this will be of a class column. Okay, and once we have our payment options, we'll create actually 3 columns with the 3 payment plans. So in this div will be our first payment plan. So let's create another div, and this will be called card, and then inside I'll create the card content. So this will be class card content. Okay, and actually let's place every column, because we'll create multiple columns, in another div called columns. So I will do here class columns, and then for the card content I will add a paragraph with a class title, and this will be our monthly plan, monthly one. Then let's also add the price, so here I will do class subtitle, and let's say our application is going to cost $5 a month, and also let's add some additional information. For example, this plan will give you unlimited access to the code explanation and fixing services for 1 month. You will be charged $5 every month. Okay, let's keep that, and let's close the content. So now let's create a footer, and let's add a class called card footer, and in the footer we're going to create the charge button. So let's do form, so the action will be charge, and later we'll create the charge function actually. Then let's do method post. So this means that every time the user accesses this form, which means that he will click the button, this would send him to the charge function, which will actually open our charge form. So this form will be activated with a button. So let's write here input, let's do type hidden, then name will be plan, and the value will be monthly. Okay, and here I will add some script. So in the script here, guys, you will access the Stripe service. So Stripe has library for JavaScript, and this is what we imported here, and this is what we will basically do. So firstly, let's write src, which will be our checkout page of Stripe, and then we will do class stripe dash button. Okay, so we will access the basic Stripe button. Then let's do data key. Okay, so here you paste your Stripe key. Then let's do data amount. This will be equal to $5 or 500 cents. Then let's do data name will be equal to monthly one. Then data description will be equal to $5 per month. Then data image will be actually equal to a basic image from Stripe, very commonly used for payments. So it's gonna be this one. If you click on the link, you can see that this is how the image looks like. Then we will do data local will be auto, and finally data zip code will be equal to false. Okay, so we will not ask the users to provide zip code. So good job, guys, your monthly plan is now ready. And now what you can do, you can simply copy everything that is inside this column in order to create your next plan. So I will just copy that and paste it below. Okay, so now we have another column, and now you can start building your next plan. So everything will be pretty much the same. I will just change this name here to quarter plan. Okay, let's this be $12 per quarter. Let's update the description a little bit, the price as well. Okay, I will update here this to quarterly. Then here is our JavaScript. Everything will be the same except the data amount. Here will be quarterly, $12 a month, auto false, and that's all, guys. Okay, so you can go below and let's paste another plan. So this can be annual plan. Okay, annual, let's say we want to charge $50 a year. Okay, here will be 50 per year. Okay, so make sure that you change all the required fields. I will make the data amount equal to 5,000, then we will do $50 a month, and we will call that yearly plan. And with that, your HTML file should be ready. So this is how it looks like. So here you have column 1, it's right here, your first plan. Then your second plan is right here, and your third plan is right here. And then everything is placed in this columns class, which is placed inside the container, placed inside our section. Okay, so let's save that and let's run the application to see what happens. So since we exceeded the times we can use the application, once I write print 1, you should see our plans immediately. And here is how our plans look like. So now you can charge users, and you have this button to ask the users to pay for each of those plans. So that's everything for today. In the next video, I will create your checkout page, and from there you will be able to start charging the users. Thanks for watching.